Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're doing well. We'll start with this topic, second chapter of Endogenetic movements, second part. That is, we have already learned about the earthquake and what did happen in the Nepal, how people die in there, and how earthquakes damage the people and life of the people and different things. Now we will read about the volcanoes. See, when something is happen in the interior of the earth or the reason in the mental we that create the pressure and it will come as earthquake. See here, earthquake and volcanoes occurs because of the instability in the interior of the earth, whatever happening in the inside or the interior of the earth which comes out from the outer place of the earth. This stability is created due to the movements occurring in the earth's interior, whatever is happening inside the earth or the interior of the earth which comes out in the outer place, or maybe the folds things or maybe the folding things or rocks, and these all this will come in the form of volcano. See, we have different reason over here. First, when there is a magma, see, magma is in solid form and it is continuously movement from one place to another, and magma is very hot. Have you seen that lava thing? That is magma only. It consists of the radioactive elements, so that radioactive elements always react with each other. There is always reactions between them. See, radioactive elements, they have a reaction between each other. They are getting collaborate with each other. During this reaction, large amount of energy generated. Suppose at the same time or at the same point they have control the energy. After some limit, that energy will release, and when it is released, it comes in the form of lavas and coming from the surface of the earth, and where there was a waves are hitting of the earth. Because of these we face earthquake. Whatever happened, see, generally the movements in the earth interior occurs in the upper layer of the mantle. Tremendous energy is released by the radioactive material in the mantle. Radioactive materials are, the radioactive elements contract with each other or collaborate with each other, and this create the form and it is come out. These energy waves travel from one place to another. Due to such a flow of energy, instability causes in the mantle. The movement are classified on the basis of their velocities, directions, and the landform. See, you can see the picture over here. When the lava comes out, around the area, when the lava comes out, after some time they get cooled down, and after cooling down, it becomes in the rocks and it creates the continent. That's called continent. In Maharashtra also we have a continent, that is Deccan continent. See over here. Now, velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is speed of traveling, and how the lava is traveling, how this volcanoes in traveling, and there is a direction where the lava takes the direction, and after then landform where it is transferred into the continent or the buildings or the mountains. This all consist over here. Now we see the classification of internal movements. Basis of classification. First is velocity. Told you already. See over here, slow movements occurring continuously like formation of mountain and continents. If it is slow because of the reaction of magma, we face volcano. Breaking of the surface of the earth is hot, and that breaks the surface of the earth. That's called. If it is slow, then we can face the volcano. See, earth is moving 24 hours, but because it moves very slow, we don't get any effects. Like, we don't get any effect that we are moving or the earth is moving or we are like shaking or something like. But earth moves continuously towards different planets. So this is the thing, because it moves very slow, that's why we don't feel any effect. Then the sudden movements in the forms of events like earthquake and volcanoes. And if it is move very fast and sudden, then what happened? We can face the earthquake and volcanoes. Now the direction. Horizontal movements, obviously it can moves into horizontal or vertical, upward, downward movements. this comes in a direction. Then the landform, continent buildings, creating of continent, plateaus and the highlands, mountain building. See, mountain building, there are folding and the faulting. It will come after this. Now the slow movement. The effects of the slow movement can be seen in the form of formation of mountains and the continents on the earth crust. If earth crust will be there, see, I have told you in this picture, it comes out when it's cooled down, it becomes in the rocks, and after that it can be continent also. Now see why this happens. Effects because of the pressure and the tension. See this picture. If you will give them pressure towards each other, if you will move towards each other, what will happen? See in this picture. If it is soft, that it then it will create a mountain shape. And if it is, the rock is very hard inside the earth or the interior of the earth, it will not going to change the shape. But if it is soft, the rocks will change the rock will take this for shape, the mountain shape. This is because of the compression. We give the tension or the pressure. See over here, the direction of the wave movement. Waves moving toward each other, we are moving towards each other, then after that waves moving away from each other, that will tension. If it is moving each other, this will take the shape of mountain. See over here, fault. If it is if it is soft, the rocks are soft, that will take the mountain, it will create the shape of mountain, upper part, lower part. And if it is not shape, then it will be crush in between. Understand? We will take the fold mountain. See over here, energy is transferred from the interior of the earth because of these energy waves and pressure working towards each other in horizontal direction. They layer of the soft rocks from the fold. If it is soft, then it will create the pressure in the earth and it will take the shape of fountain or anything that will come up. Then if the pressure is very high, the large scale faults are formed and their complexity increase. As the result, the surface of the earth gets uplifted. We will give the pressure, so what will happen? It will create the pressure and this will create this shape. Okay, the mountain shape, because the rocks are very soft over here. And if it is hard, then it will not create any of the folds. The Himalayas, the Aravallis, the Rockies, Andes and the Alps are the major fold mountain of the world. See, Himalayas are there in India, Aravallis is there in America, Rockies are there in America, Andes are there in America, Alps is there in Zurich. So these is the some of the names which is given fold mountains, example of fold mountains. Now the activity 2. Tension is created when you pull both the ends away from each other. Now we have moving from first towards each other. Now we are taking away from each other. One is taking it from the left side and the other one is taking from the right side. What will happen? Similarly, when the both movements occurs in the opposite direction to each other, tension is generated and the faults are formed in the earth crust. If you will create the tension, what will happen? See over here, this will crash, the earth will crush in between. Okay, when you create and when you move towards each other, what will happen? We get some shape like this. But when we are giving them tensions to up in opposite direction, it will create the tension and it will break the land. Understand? Okay, then this, when a part of earth crust is between two parallel faults is lifted, it looks like a block. Now if it is creating like from this side only and from that side also, and what it happened, the landform is uh, it is in not, there is in a fault, there is no fault in this. What will happen? The between the pressure part will be lifted. See over here, such a landform is known as a block mountain. The hilltops of Block Mountain are flat. See, this part is flat. We cannot see any of the crashes or something is happened. Their slopes steps, for example, Black Forest Mountain in Europe, the Meghalaya plateaus of India has also been formed in a similar way. These are the example of some in Meghalaya and in Europe happens. Draw the diagram energy because of the notebook. Now this will now Rift Valley will learn in next lecture. Thank you.